Okay, good morning students. This is Sir Kai and welcome back to our IT11 tutorials. So for this session I will be discussing about variables. So first you have to open your NetBeans. So once you open your NetBeans, create new file, create new Java application and click next. First variables. Let's say variables. You can browse where you would like to save your application and save. So in this particular example, I will remove these black comments. Comments are essential, but for this part, I would like to be straightforward. So let's discuss what are the various data types that we have. For example, you can say that you can input string. String, by the way, is for declaring text. So for example, let's say string f name, nickname. Let's say nickname. Let's say Joe. So let's say we have a declare another variable which is an integer. So int. Let's say int age. Let's say your age is 20. Let's create another variable which is double. Let's say double cash. Let's say 340.50. You can either put the letter D or not. It's okay. If you would like to remove D, it's okay. If you would like to put D, it's okay. Float. So you have double and float. These are also the same with double. It has floating numbers or decimal places. But the good thing about double is that whatever you can do in float, you can, for example, the number of decimal places, it can be doubled by the double data type. Float, for example, let's say price 14.5.24 F for float. Let's say we have a char, which is a character variable, char. So it is enclosed by a single quote and string is enclosed in double quote. So for example, single letter, which is K, and also used boolean. Boolean, for example, ans for answer. Let's say true. Now let's say I forgot to input a variable name for char. Char is letter, LTR. So let's say letter. So this particular part is what you call as your variable name, and these are your data type: int, double, float, char, boolean, and a lot more. Actually, under int we have byte, long, short, and this particular part, for example, here is your value. For string you have Joe enclosed in double quotes. For int you have 20, double. For variable cash you have 344.50. For float price you have 14.24 F. For letter you have K enclosed in single quote, and for boolean you have true. If I'm going to print those variable, remember that in printing this output you must call the variable name and not the value itself. For example, I will print age. If you can see the output, take note that age variable has the value of 20. 20 is put inside this variable name, which is age. Then we call variable age. So if I'm going to say, if I'm going to concatenate or to include it as text or string with that one, the age is, for example, 20. The age is 20. If I'm going to create another output, for example, system .out.println for new line below, the nickname, I can say hi nickname. I will display everything. So nickname is the name, the variable that we have used for the string. Say system dot out dot print and let's say cache. The cache is, then concatenate. Plus sign is the symbol for concatenation, mean to say the string and the variable will be displayed in this particular line. Sim.out.print ln. The letter is letter. So system dot print ln. The result is ans variable. So let's display. So as you can see, nickname variable is Joe, the age has 20, cache is 340.50, letter is K. I forgot the float. The price is price. So it's complete now. Nickname is Joe, age is 20, cache is 340.50, price is 14.24, and letter is K, and the result for the boolean or true or false is true. You can also use false for that particular answer. Is for boolean condition. So that was it. I hope you have learned something. Always do good practice, and God bless.